Very small town, very small. When I say very small, I'm going to show you something here. I think this here is the courthouse as well as City Hall. I'm not for sure, but it's a very old courthouse, and as I pan around here, the whole town is old, very old. Like there's like 1914 W.D. Bailey, Wellington Community Center, and I'm going to walk up a little bit and show you guys some other stuff. Around the corner over there, as you can see above my finger, that's the Ritz. That's where the movie premiere is going to be. This is a cool place here. But if you guys are out here in Texas, check it out. It's very nice. Got the museum, Collinsworth County Museum. You got Frances inside. She'll show you all around. And oh, you know what? I'm going to show you something else. It's pretty cool. Hold tight. Check out the laundromat. This is the laundromat in Wellington. It's like, you know, it kind of reminds you of Mayberry back in the day. It's pretty cool. You got shop and wash laundry, and then you got all the different laundry compartments, just like what we have at home, but it's just more quaint, I should say. And moving along, this is like, looks like an old hardware store. It looks like, if I can look inside, they have a big bust inside of it. You guys should check this place out. It kind of reminds you of Andy Griffith and Opie, and I'm thinking that all the folks in that show is going to pop out of nowhere, like Floyd, Gomer. It's pretty cool. Let's look at some RVs. So I'm going to take you inside of this new Marvin Ventana. It runs about $203,000. Let's check it out. Inside this Ventana, this is a diesel pusher. Very nice. Very nice. Inside of this, it's pretty cool. You have, you know, your booth dinette, your stove, full-size fridge. This is so cool. So cool. I think you'll like it. Looks like it's got, oh, one bathroom. And of course, it's got to be a washer dryer. Yep, washer dryer. So it's pretty cool. I think you guys will like it. You know, I'm in the market myself to get another RV. I'm not for sure it's going to be a diesel or not, but I kind of like this one here. It's, you know, it looks, you know, spacious. I like it. If I show you guys, don't know which one I'm going to get here, but it's going to be something down the road. I think it's pretty cool. It's how a diesel would be if you was going to sit here. And I'm quite sure it drives like anything else, but the cool part about a diesel, the engine is in the back. You don't have the engine up in the front, where you, like in my RV, you have that V10 in the front. You can hear every single thing up in the front. But with this here, you can everything's in the back, so you don't hear anything. Steering wheel is super large, and I think you guys would like it. So just check it out. This is by Indoor National RV, where they have a lot of YouTube videos on from Class C, Class A, Class B, and they can work with you. Check them out. Indoor National RV Show. We'll go to the next one, and I'll show you a Forester. I think it's a Class C, I think it is, but I'll show you guys in a bit how that looks. This is actually a Forester Class C. Is pushing at, remember I mentioned to you guys 24 feet, and the model is number 21. So therefore, this is how it looks on the inside. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's not, you know, like Tim Rover is super long, but it's pretty cool. It has no bed over the cab, but it does have microwave and the stove. It's a nice quaint RV. I'm quite sure it has either 8 or V10 engine, but check it out. This is a Forester. pretty cool. This is the Ritz where I'll be tonight, watching the world premiere of the movie, and I'm going to bring you guys more little tidbits of what's going on in Wellington, Texas. And until then, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button on top, give me a thumbs up if you like, and I'll see you on the next episode of Tim Rover RV. I'm going to bring you more episodes of Do It Yourself, also stuff like this here, different little towns. You guys take care, have a good day, bye.